Joseph Ulmer here with a quick tech tip. We're replacing some fuel injectors. Let me show you here. And this just so happens to be a Duramax, but we're trying to get down inside, let's see, these injector cups and get them clean before we put the new fuel injectors in. So right down there, trying to get all that gunk out. Now that one's actually, I've got it cleaned out pretty well, but I'm going to show you how I did that, because there's all kinds of gunk and crap down in there, and trying to get down in there to get it clean is not the easiest thing in the world. So what I did is I took a piece of the soft copper brake line. It's about a foot long, 18 inches. Take a Q-tip, cut the Q-tip in half, slide half the Q-tip, hopefully you can see this, take half the Q-tip, slide it into the end of the brake line. Okay, just like that. Take a pair of crimpers, just regular wire crimpers, and just barely, just squeeze the end of that brake line. Just enough so that it makes it a little more difficult to pull that Q-tip out of there. That way it doesn't fall out on you while you're working. You don't need much, because you want to be able to get another one in. Okay? And if you get it too much, you can always just squish it the other way and it'll come back round. Once you've done that, come back over here. We're going to take, and I know the lighting is not the greatest here, we're going to take a little bit of brake cleaner and shoot it down inside there, and that'll help to loosen up any of the gum and whatnot that might be stuck down there. And then we take our Q-tip that's stuck in our end of our brake line and just very gently get it down there and work it around the inside edges of that injector cup. And that will scrub off all of that crap. Now that one came out pretty clean because I've already cleaned it. Okay, sorry, there we go. That one came out pretty clean. You can see there's still a little bit of brake clean sitting down in the bottom here. So if we take our compressed air, we can blow that out with compressed air, dry it out. So guys, that's just a simple tip, help you clean those out a little bit better. Just take a Q-tip, slide it in the end of a piece of brake line. This copper alloy line is real flexible and it's actually pretty soft, so it's easy to work with. And then you can get right down in there and scrub all the little crap out and blow them out with some compressed air. Come out nice and clean. You can get your new injectors installed. So do me a favor. Hope this helps you. Please rate the video. Questions, put them in the comments. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Check out the links down in the description. Don't forget, get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one.